Reset for the week. Welcome to my channel. My name is Therese. On today's cleaning video, I'm going to clean the bathroom, one of the rooms, and the floors. For the bathroom, I usually start with the sink, go down to the toilet, and then go down to the tub, the floors, and then finishing the bottom of the tub. So if you're new here, like I said, I'm a mom, I'm working mom. I usually share tips on cleaning, cooking, and welcome to my channel. And I hope you watch this video through. So I'm just gonna leave the music on, watch at the end, and I actually got ready for this week after doing the cleaning. And my daughter is actually helping me. So to clean effectively, I use the O Cedar bucket and mop. Oh my gosh, this thing just, it's a miracle. And in the bathroom, I'm going to use Fabuloso, and then I'm going to use one cleaning product with bleach. And yes, it takes me a while to clean those, the tub. Or like the tub is really tall, so I have to use that whole cedar mop to clean, and after that then I'll go ahead and clean the floors. But I didn't show it here. Usually I have to either vacuum or use the broom and clean and sweep before I do all that stuff. And after I'm done that, then I'll wash the tub, and then on to my next cleaning task. For the tub, you can use any powder cleaning or cleanser, and I'm just still using my scrubber, and it has foam, so after that I'll just scrub it with a sponge, and that will be that. But you can leave it, if you want it to work effectively, leave it for like half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour, then it's going to clean really well. So I was done in the bathroom. Now I'm going to the next one. This room is just straightening up, cleaning up, picking up all the toys, and making the bed, washing the sheets, and then making the bed. And I was done for that room because like I said, I was just doing the floors, and the rest of them continue on into the hallway, which is mainly the floors. And then to my next step in the kitchen, my daughter was nice enough to clean. Well, she always cleans, so I did not show this week's video. I was just cleaning the floors, and I was using my method is for the wood to clean the counter or the island. And then differently for this week, for the kitchen. So if you're gonna do the bathroom and the kitchen, make sure, I repeat, make sure you use a different mop. Okay, mop, because you're going from the bathroom or vice versa. So don't use the same stuff. So in the living room and kitchen, I use Mr. Clean for the floors. I do not like the strong smell of Fabuloso that I use in the bathroom. I'm going to only do Mr. Clean and some hot water, just medium, and then really hot. I was boiling water, and then I put it in. And then for the floors, I don't use too many things for the floors because again, it's wood, and I don't clean it with this method as often because these woods do not need that much water. And this is just for once in a while, and it cleans it really well. And you just make sure you do the pattern, like going long ways, like the way I was doing. Otherwise you see streaks. So if you clean with one product, you see streaks, look for another product. And with me, I feel like the Mr. Clean cleans better. Sometimes I use vinegar, cleaning vinegar. Usually that one cleans good too. Like I said, my daughter was cleaning pretty much the kitchen, the counters, the dishes, and everything. So what I did is just clean the floors.
You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So if you do not have the O Cedar mop and bucket mop or cleaning product, go ahead, go to Walmart or Target or one of those stores and grab you one. It's gonna change your life when it's cleaning. Either you can clean hardwood floors, tile, whatever, you can clean it. It just what it depends is what you're gonna put to clean it with. I don't use too many products. People just trying to make it complicated. It's not as complicated.
I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the fake to me now.
So I was just like I said, I was doing the floors, and later on, I'm going to vacuum that side where it has a rug. And yeah, as far as the kitchen and the living area, I was done as far as the floors. And all this can take you like half an hour to 45 minutes. If you want to do it less than time than that, you can go ahead. And it took me a little bit because I was doing the kids' room, taking all the clothes downstairs. So yeah, this is for the week. If you're interested in watching more cleaning, cooking video for a working mom, I usually don't have time for all this, but I usually try to post a video. This week I'm not doing the shopping haul like I usually do weekly, and I'm just doing the cleaning. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you have gotten this far and you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I am a mom, like I say, and I try to talk about things that affect us mamas. It's really hard trying to work, keeping the house, and keeping the children, and staying sane. So check out my videos. I put out a video how moms, we are having a hard time losing weight. And of course, I don't go a video without dancing. I love me dancing, listening to music and dancing while cleaning. Thank you for watching. Here's me after I got ready. After I clean up, looking a little bit better. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.